Hey everybody, I'm about to show you guys how to essentially link your Xbox controller to PUBG itself. In order to do that, you need to be in Steam. I'm sure you've probably watched a lot of videos and they're going to talk to you about controller configurations. Well, the one controller configuration that they don't tell you about is there's an actual one that's set up to link with any game that is controller compatible. And guess what? PUBG's controller compatible. What does that mean? It means that if you have a Xbox controller, Steam has a built-in system so that way it actually runs the Xbox controller system and the game has the processor to run the Xbox controller system. And all you have to do is go into your library for PUBG or even any other game that you want to link your Xbox controller to, and you got to get into the menu, which is like, where was I? It's right there. It's going to be three dots. And this is going to be your controller configurations. And this is going to be the same way throughout all of Steam, no matter what year it is or what update you have. You just need to access controller configurations. All right. And you see right here, I have it set for gamepad. So all you need to do is browse configurations, templates. It's under templates. And then it says this template is for games that already have built-in gamepad support intended for dual stick games with such as twin stick shooters, side scrollers, etc. It is that easy. You select on gamepad under templates. It'll say community, which is like where all the main ones are that you can go pull off the internet, but they all suck because this one is programmed for the Xbox controller just like PUBG has. Now, this isn't going to work for every game because some games aren't compatible, but like this is genuinely going to help you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This should definitely work. There's no reason that this should not work for your game as long as it's controller compatible with the Xbox controller, which PUBG is. Okay? So, all those false videos out there, they suck. And this video works. So, please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Get the views up and make this channel blow up. Because, money's awesome, right? And this saves you money and it saves you time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Goodbye.